Here, this is the phone. This phone has a problem. You can't hear the ringing tone from this phone. Even ringing tone is full. Let's try it. I'm dialing this number. Okay. Only vibration. Can't hear the ringing tone. Go to settings, sounds, all volume is full. All sounds are working. I select this one. Let's try it again. Dial this number. It's ringing, but no sound. Try it again. See, it's ringing, but no sound. The volume is full. This is the problem.